I don't know if it's just me or as an esthetician, there's nothing better than a new SPF release. This is from Somerville. It's a Hydra Kate Illuminating SPF 50 drop. Look how beautiful. It has illuminating tint that's supposedly universal, that's able to match skin tones from fair to deep. This universal tint eliminates the white cast. Do you see that? And it's so glowy. I'm getting ready for the day, so let's try it together. I love a physical sunscreen, so this is great for people who do a lot of treatments like myself. It's non-nano zinc, so it's very safe to use. So just the soothing properties of that alone is very, very, very good for your skin. It also contains ectoin, which soothes and hydrates the skin while protecting it from any environmental factors. I do have a beard and I don't see any white cast on the beard. Normally with any mineral sunscreen, that would already be on top. So let's bring this down my neck because I do have a spray tan, and you see how it's just going to blend right in and won't have a white cast. I don't spray tan my face, my body. See how it just disappeared? No white cast, nothing. This is crazy. So we're using no filter, and you see how illuminating that is? On no filter, you just see how hydrated my skin is, and it's just glowing. Summer's around the corner. Make sure you protect yourself. Very well done, Miss Somerville. What do we think?